So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add amazing stickers to your videos without using any software. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to write clydio.com. You can do the same process on your smartphone as well. Just simply hit enter, and here you're gonna click on this option which says all tools and scroll down until you find this option which says let's say add stickers to your video. Once you do that, tap over there and hit get started, and now it will ask you to upload the video file. For example, if I upload the screen recording file, and it will take some time to let it upload. And here all you need to do is to just simply go over this option which says elements, and from here you can find this option which says stickers. You can directly add stickers by dragging dropping over your video clip on the timeline, and here you can see the sticker have been added. I can easily customize it, and once I'm done with the changes I can hit export and save it to my file. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.